Remember the days when having a Nokia in your pocket wasn't just a tech choice, it was a statement. It was about street cred, unbeatable reliability, and a device that felt less like a gadget and more like a ride-or-die best friend. That legendary durability, that mind-blowing battery life, and yes, the iconic Snake game carved a permanent place in our childhoods and youth that no other brand could ever erase. But times changed, the world went smartphone, and a new wave of kings took over the throne. Or so we thought. What if I told you that the ultimate legacy brand is gearing up to shock the tech world and reclaim its crown? Today, we are breaking down a smartphone that has the entire internet talking, the Nokia Royal Ultra 5G. Is this device genuinely the dawn of a brand new era in mobile tech, or is it just another too good to be true internet pipe dream? Buckle up, because every single detail we are about to dive into will absolutely blow your mind. Design and display. Let's kick things off with the look and feel. Nokia held nothing back this time around. The second you pick this phone up, you are hit with an unmistakable wave of high-end luxury. It features a premium titanium frame, giving major iPhone vibes, that keeps the phone shockingly lightweight while delivering a tank-like durability that simply refuses to break. Flip it over, and you get a gorgeous vegan leather finish on the back panel that not only looks effortlessly classy but gives you an insanely comfortable, rock-solid grip. Now, let's talk about that screen. You are getting a massive 6.95-inch Super AMOLED LTPO display. Need buttery smooth scrolling or high-performance gaming? The 144Hz refresh rate has you covered, making every single visual flow like liquid silk. To keep that gorgeous screen safe, it's armored with Corning Gorilla Glass Armor 2. Toss in an IP69 dust and water resistance rating, and this device is practically element-proof. Camera setup. Get ready for the main event, because Nokia is bringing an absolute monster of a 5-camera setup that tech photography enthusiasts are going to obsess over. At the helm is the world's most powerful 200-megapixel 1-inch giant primary sensor. Translation: crop into your photos as much as you want, you are never, ever losing detail. Even in pitch-black night conditions, it pulls in light like magic, capturing bright, crisp, noise-free shots that look like they were taken in broad daylight. Backing up the beast are a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens for sweeping landscapes, a 32-megapixel telephoto lens supporting an insane 100x digital zoom, a 16-megapixel portrait lens for studio-grade bokeh, and an 8-megapixel macro lens for microscopic close-ups. And for all you content creators and selfie lovers out there, the front houses a crystal-clear 64-megapixel autofocus camera. Drop a video shot on this, and people are instantly going to ask, wait, seriously, what high-end DSLR rig did you shoot this on? Performance. When it comes to raw muscle, this phone operates on an entirely different stratosphere. Packing the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor built on an advanced 2nm architecture, it delivers earth-shattering performance while drinking battery power like a sip of water. Paired with up to 16 GB of lightning-fast RAM and UFS 5.0 storage, you can run 50 background apps simultaneously, edit heavy 4K video on the fly, or max out graphics on heavy hitters like Genshin Impact without a single dropped frame. Plus, a built-in dedicated gaming and liquid cooling chamber keeps the thermals icy cold during those marathon gaming sessions. On the software side, Nokia is keeping things refreshingly clean. You get pure, unadulterated stock Android 17. That means zero bloatware, zero spammy pre-installed apps, just blistering speed and top-tier privacy. Battery life. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Keeping true to its legendary heritage, Nokia packed this phone with a mind-blowing 9500 mAh monster battery. Under normal everyday use, you are easily looking at a solid 2 to 3 days on a single charge. And when you finally do need to juice it back up, the 120-watt ultra-fast charging takes you from 0% to 100% in a mere 15 to 20 minutes. Just for good measure, they threw in 50-watt wireless charging too. Expected price and launch window. So, what is the damage for a futuristic powerhouse like this? While official word is still rolling in, industry insiders and leaks point to an expected price tag hovering between $800 and $900. Getting specs and features this futuristic at that price point would be an absolute game changer. Tech experts are speculating a late-year release window, potentially hitting global markets just in time for the holiday season. Keep in mind, these are based on early industry reports, so stay tuned for official updates. What do you think, Tech fam? Can this legendary comeback propel Nokia right back to the top of the food chain, or will the competition crush the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, let's chat.